Hello everyone, this is Ramya Sri. I am going to deal the subject of computer fundamentals and Photoshop for degree first year BCom and BSc. Today our topic is output devices. What is meant by an output device? Any device that gives information from a computer can be called an output device. Basically, output devices accept digital data from the computer and convert them into human understandable language. The output devices are basically classified into two types. They are soft copy devices and hard copy devices. The first one is soft copy devices. Soft copy output devices produce an electronic version of output. For example, a file stored in a hard disk or CD and is displayed on the computer screen, that is monitor. So, the soft copy devices are divided into monitors, projectors and speakers. The first one is monitor. A monitor is a soft copy output device that is used to display video and graphics through the video card. Computer monitors are similar to the television screens, but they display information at much higher quality. The monitor is connected to either the video graphics adapter or the digital video interface port on the video card. The monitors are three types. They are CRT monitors, LCD monitors and plasma monitors. CRT means cathode ray tube monitors and LCD means liquid crystal display monitors. Third one is plasma monitors. The next one is projectors. A projector is a device that takes an image from a video source and projects it onto a screen or surface. Projectors are used for applications such as projecting movies, images, presentations and television programs. Projectors allows the user to change or adjust brightness, sharpness and color of an image. Projector use a bright light and a lens to display images or movies on the screen. Projectors are classified into two categories. They are LCD projectors and DLP projectors. DLP means digital light processing projectors. So these are the information about projectors. Then we can go for speakers. A speaker is a hardware device that connected to a computer sound that output sound generated by the computer. Speakers convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves. So, the speakers receive audio input either in analog way or it will be in the digital way. So, speakers can only receive the audio form. So, it gives the output in the form of sound. Okay. So, this is the information about speakers. These are the soft copy output devices. Then we can go for the next term is hard copy output devices. What is meant by hard copy? Hard copy can produce a physical form of output. For example, the content of file printed on a paper. So this is in the form of a physical form. Then these output devices are printers and plotters. The first one is printer. A printer is a device that takes text and graphics information obtained from a computer and prints it on a paper. Printers are available in the market in various sizes, speeds and costs. So, printers can be classified into two groups. Those are impact printers and non-impact printers. We can go for the first one, impact printers. So, these printers print characters by striking an inked ribbon against the paper. So, these are having dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printers, line printers. So, the first one is dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer prints a character and image and pattern of dots. These printers has a print head, that means hammer, or that consists of pins to print a character or image. The print head prints by striking an ink soaked cloth ribbon against the paper. Then we can go for the daisy wheel printers. The daisy wheel printers, head of the daisy wheel printer is circular wheel about 3 inches in the diameter. To print a character, the wheel is rotated in such a way that the character to be printed is positioned just in front of the printer ribbon. So, the daisy wheel printer in the form of in circular. Then we can go for line printer. Line printers are high speed printers. These are one type line is printed at a time. These are used in the data centers and industrial environments. So, these three printers are used as impact printers. These printers print character by striking and linked ribbon against the paper. So, then we can go for non-impact printers. Non-impact printers printing heads of these printers do not strike the paper while printing. This is the difference between impact printers and non-impact printers. These printers use either powder or liquid based cartridge, which is either sprayed or dripped. So, these printers mainly used based on liquid based cartridge or powder. These printers are divided into inkjet printers and laser printers. The first one is inkjet printers. The print head has several tiny nozzles, also called jets. Nozzles are also called jets. The nozzles spray ink onto paper to format a character or image. So, this will be nozzle spray will be in the form of the character or a image. Cartridges are also have to be changed frequently. So, whenever the ink is gone, automatically the cartridge will be filled by ink or liquid or a powder. Then we can go for laser printer. Laser printer work at very high speeds and produce high quality text and graphics. A laser beam draws the document on a drum after the drum is charged. It is rolled on a toner, that means a dry powder type of ink. The toner applied to the charged image on the drum and transferred onto a piece of paper. So, this is the information about laser printers. Then we can go for plotter. Plotter is one of the hot copy output device. So, this is the non-impact printer. Then the plotter is a printing device usually used to a printer large size of images with high printing quality. They are widely used to draw maps or texture blueprints and scientific applications in CAD, CAM and CAE applications. The plotters are much more expensive. That means the pricing quality is too high than printers because they use one or more automated pens for printing. Then the plotters are classified into two types, drum plotter and flatbed plotter. The first one is drum plotter. While coming into the point of drum plotter, it is also known as roller plotter. So, the drum plotter rotates the paper at the same time the pens moves across it and draw the image. The drum plotters are used to produce continuous output such as plotting earthquake activity. So, these are used at while using the draw images across as moving a pen. The flatbed plotters is used to spread on the flat rectangular surface of the plotter and the pen is moved over it. The size of the graphic is limited to the size of the flatbed plotter on surface. The flatbed plotter is very slow in drawing or printing the graphs. So, these two plotters are used as plotters. These print a large images with high quality. So, this is the information about plotters. The printers and plotters are used as hot copy output devices. So, thank you so much for watching.